Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's revise how can we solve an equation, especially in this case. We have here what 2x squared minus 1 equal negative 10, and we learned we have to start with the plus or minus, but this time this plus or minus we have a greater operation which is outside, which means what 2 or the twice of this bracket. So we have two ways to solve it. The first way is what? Is I have to put or to return this 2 inside the brackets once again, and then it will be what? It will be 2 square root of 2 minus 2 equals negative 10, and now I know how can we solve it. Normally, as we learned before, so how can we solve it? Yes, I have here what? Minus 2, I will make it to go on the other side by plus 2, so 2x squared equal negative 8, and divide 2, so x squared equal negative 4, and to find x, what shall we do here? I will find the square root, positive or negative square root of negative 4, sorry, but negative 4 here doesn't belong to R, neither Q or any other set we learned now, so the solution set will be what here? Will be 5. So what is the second way to solve this problem? Now we have 2x squared minus 1 all in the brackets equals negative 10. 2 here is outside the brackets, so I have to cancel it first. How can we cancel it? By the opposite of the operation. So I will divide by 2 here, divide by 2 here, so it will be x squared minus 1 equals negative 5. Let's return this one to be here in the positive direction. So x squared equals negative 4, and now can we take the square root of x equal the positive or negative is the square root of negative 4, which is not belong to R, which means the solution set will be what? Will be 5. So please be careful if you have any factor or any coefficient outside the brackets. Here, what shall we do here? I have to know what operation is between 2 over 3 x squared equal 4 over 15. Okay, some of you can say that I have what here? I have here times, normal times. So what is the opposite of times? Okay, it will be divide. So I will go to the other way and I will make divide by 2 over 3. Therefore, x squared equals what? Equal 4 over 15. Divide means what? Keep change and keep a change flip. I will keep the first one, I will change the sign and flip the second one. Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 3, divide by 3, so equals what? And you can of course use your calculator. It will be 2 over 5, and take the square root of x. It will be what? Positive or negative? The square root of 2 over 5. Can I have a square root of a fraction? Yes, we can. So this belong to R, yes, and belong to Q, yes, and belong to Q dash, yes, belong to Q dash. So the solution set in R and Q prime or Q dash equals what? Equals open braces square root of 2 over 5 and negative square root of 2 over 5. And don't forget to close the brackets. Now let's remember the intervals. We have here what? We have here the difference. R negative, difference, negative 2 and 0. So what's the meaning of R negative? It means all the negative real numbers. So if I want to represent R negative as an interval, how can we do it? Yes, the 0 will be with me? No, of course, because the 0 is not what? Is not negative. And of course I will start our interval by negative infinity, because it will take all the negative numbers till negative infinity, and 0 will be open. Okay, so this is unbounded interval. Okay, what is the meaning of difference? Difference means take away the second from the first, or what's in the second and not in the first. If I take away negative 2 till we found 0 from this set of numbers, so what shall we have here remaining? We will have negative infinity, of course it will be with me, and negative 2 I will take it, so I will open it. Can we represent it in the number line? Yes, we can. So this is the number line, and this is the negative infinity direction, and we have here 0, -1, -2. Okay, let's represent the first by a green, which is R negative. R negative is what? Yes, open 0 till we find what? Negative infinity. And let's represent the second one by blue. Okay, I have here what? -2. It's what? Closed or open? Yes, it's closed to 0. Okay, so 0 here is what? Is open again. So what shall we do here? Yes, I will take the second from the first. What in the first, not in the second? We have here all this part, right? But I can't take -2 with me. That's why I open it. And till what? Till -8. What about this one? I will take away the element 5 only from this set of interval or numbers. It will be what? 0 and 5, and I will open the 5. Why we open the 5? Because we took it. Okay, it means what again? Difference means what? Take the second from the first, or what's remaining in the first if we take away the second. What about this one? 2 and 7, and take away 3 and 8. Okay, let's represent it because I want you to visualize it. I have here what? I have here 2, 3, and here I have what? 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's represent the first by green again. So I have here closed in 2. I will close it, and in 7 I will close it, then connect between them. Okay, what about the second? Let's do it by blue. Negative, we have here 3, it's closed again, and 8, it's open. So what's in the first, not in the second? I can see all of these numbers, or all of this interval in this in the first one. So the answer here will be what? The answer here will be, yes, 2. I will close it. And what about 3? I will open it or close it? No, I can't take it because it's in the second. So I will open it. So this is the answer. Okay, this sign means what? Means complement. What does it mean, complement? What complete this set to be R? So actually we can say that it's what? R difference this set, right? So we have here 4, and we have here 8, and 4 is closed like this, and 8 is open, and we will take all the element between them. Let's open it again like this. Yes, so we'll take all the element like this. Now I want to know R difference this set, so I will take all this part, and I will take all this part. What complete this set? I need 4 to complete it? No, I don't need 4, so I can't take it. I need 8 to complete it? Yes, I need 8 to complete this part, right? Like this. Okay, so what shall we need here? We need this part, which is what? Negative infinity, and 4. Both of them are open because I can't take 4 because it's already here, right? And we need 8. I will close it because we don't have 8 here, to infinity. And of course, any infinity, positive or negative, it has to be open from this side. How can I take both intervals? By using union what? Union operation. So, miss, we can write it as R difference 4 and 8. Yeah, R difference, the original interval. It's not wrong, and sometimes it will be in the choose question, but we can't say that this is the answer. This is the right answer. So please, if you write this one, write again this one with her. Okay. Now we want to take away 2 and 5 from this interval. Of course, it will be what? It will be the same interval, but I will open both sides because I take only the element. How do I know it's an element? By using this curly brackets or braces.